DSP or dry shrink prep. It's my product made by myself. It's all made in-house by all natural ingredients. Healthy alternative to dryer sheets. It's a good showing of the DSP. Here's the starter set. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It's got the dry shrink prep sticker right here. On the back end, there's gonna be a card. And on the back of the card just gives you some information in regards to dry shrink prep, you know, what it is, how we started, and the watermark and a website as well at the very bottom. And if you flip it right over here, there's an 8-step instruction guide in regards to how to fill up the dry shrink prep and how to use the dry shrink prep. So feel free to go ahead and read that. I'm actually probably gonna reuse this packaging, so I'm just not gonna destroy it here. So when you get your applicator, you can go ahead and open it up, and the product is inside in a plastic bag, so you do want to take that out. This is what the product looks like, 2 ounces of product. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and open it up and dump the entire contents into the applicator. Just like that. Just like that. And then you can go ahead and close it up using the cord lock. That's pretty much it. Now this is a brand new vehicle, so it's pretty much clean. I'm gonna go ahead and give her a quick wipe down because it did drive from Tampa. Now normally just 1 or 2 squirts from your spray bottle or your spray tank, whatever, should do it just fine. Getting started, the first time using DSP, it's gonna need a little bit more water just because it's bone dry in there. So maybe 3 squirts. Let's see how that does. And you're just gonna go ahead and rub in the product and wipe in the product. Just like that. Now I'm starting to see a little bit of a haze here, but not here. So it's just telling me that the applicator itself is wet, but not the product. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it another wet down. And again, this is just because this is the first time using it, so it's gotta get primed. But once it's primed, you're pretty much good to go. With this product, less is more, so don't soak the glass down. This is for dry shrinking, right? So the important thing about dry shrinking is it's got to stay dry. So don't oversaturate it. You just kind of want to get it a little bit wet, a couple squirts, and just rub it in. And as you can see, we're gonna start getting a nice little haze build up on the glass. That's exactly what you want right there. Let's see if I can see here. Nothing, and then the haze. So that's exactly what you want to look like, and that's it. 2 spurts right here, pretty much the applicator and the product is now primed. So 2 squirts for one side, 2 squirts for the other side, should be good to go. Same thing with windshields. Notice that I am rubbing it in. If you see any wet areas, go ahead and continue to rub it with the applicator until it is visibly dry and has a haze. This is the best way to use DSP. Some people do soak the hell out of the applicator and then just drench it and then wait for it to dry. You can do that, but I can use this right now if I wanted to. Plus, this gives a thicker haze, a thicker layer of product, a nicer layer of product, I think, that works a little bit better with shrinking. And also, when you saturate it, you end up using more product and you're gonna run through it. If just doing it the way I did it, just like that, this running 4 to 5 cars a day, this could get you anywhere between 3 and 6 months.